Good morning students, this is Sesi Devi. I am going to discuss about interview skills. First of all, I have a question to you, that is, have you ever to an interview? Maybe as a student you may not. Now we are going to discuss about few types of interviews. First one is telephonic interview and the second one is personal interview. First, my question is, what is an interview? Normally, the interview is a meeting between two people. They know about each other through questions and answers. The person who asks the questions is an interviewer. The person who responds is an interviewee. You have must watch or read some interviews of writers or film actors on the TV or in newspapers. They are different, but while we are seeking for a job, we must attend for an interview. Then the interviewer question us, observe us and make a picture about us, and then only they can appoint us as their employee. To select right personnel, employing organizations also conduct interviews. They look into the mind of the eligible candidates to assess their strengths and weakness and recognize if the candidate is suitable for their organization. They assess our physical, mental and psychological attitudes. Every interview board consists of 4 to 6 members, sometimes they may less or more than 6 members. Facing the interview board only needs a cluster of skills like communication skills, thinking skills, body language and authenticity is very much essential while you are attending for an interview. For selecting a suitable candidate, interviews conduct two kinds of interviews, like one is telephonic interview and the second one is personal interview. Telephonic interview helps them to screen the attitude of the applicants before shortlisting the aspirants. Maybe it helps them to cut the time and cost. While attending a telephonic interview, we must need some telephonic etiquette and the polite way of responding and intonation. We should be very conscious about the conversation. We should avoid the noises around us. And second one is personal interview. This is the most important thing and important type of interview. Why? Because in this interview we can meet the interviewer personally. Further, we must follow or we must prepare some pre-interview stage. Like we have two stages while giving interview. First one is pre-interview stage and the second one is interview stage. Now let us discuss what are the steps you have to take in before attending for an interview. Before attending for an interview, we must know about the information about the organization for which you are attending for an interview. It helps us to give appropriate answers what they have asked, and we must verify our certificates, documents mentioned in the CV, what we have already mentioned in our CV. Getting a simple but decent dress is very much essential. Why? Because our first look gives the better opinion upon us. So we must have simple, good looking dress. I have already told you we must have some research about the organization. It helps us to give proper and accurate answers. And don't forget to polish your general knowledge. Maybe some people have to know about your attitude or about your political views or what is going on around us. So you must polish your general knowledge. Before going to an interview, you must do SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a analysis about oneself before giving an interview, that is strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. That means you must analyze yourself. That helps you to answer appropriate answers. Practicing expected questions. This is very much important before attending for an interview. Why? Because if you prepare authentically or accurately, it helps you to answer properly. The, these are the few steps you have to follow before giving an interview. And while you are attending for an interview, some steps you have to follow. Let us discuss what they are. Greeting. Maybe while you are giving an interview, you must attend or you must appear in front of a crowd of people, in front of 3 or 4 people. Then you must grasp some courage. We should not look down. We should not shiver. And we must greet them once we appear before them. And offering them a firm handshake. Our handshake should be very firm and stiff. That shows our confidence while attending an interview. Confidence. Sometimes, as a human being or as a student, it's difficult to show our confidence or to stable with our confidence. But we must be very confident before appearing interview. Active listening and speaking. Yes, you should be very active listener while giving interview. Why? Because many members are there, they are asking different questions in different genres. You have to receive all the questions and you should answer one by one, and you must speak very precise. You should not give more answers, or you should not speak more explanations. And the very most important thing while giving an interview, that is body language. It is very much essential. Why? Because our body language shows our confidence, our attitude, our interest on the job. Everything shows in our body language. In that body language, we must aware of our eye contact. We don't drop your eye contact with opposite person and keep smiling. That gives a positive impression on you. And the posture, how you are sitting, is very much important. You should be very conscious about the sitting posture of yours. You should be erect. You should not shake your hands or moves, and don't show more hand gestures like that, and have hand movements. Don't point anybody, don't do negative comments, don't give any bad expressions. So you should be aware of body language. And thinking skills. While taking an interviewer observe how you are thinking, what is your attitude. So they ask many questions about that. So you should be very conscious and you should be very confident while answering such questions. Alertness, of course, it is very much important. And sincerity, you must be very sincere for an interviewer. Why? Because they judge you with your answers. So you should be very sincere. You should not lie. It's better to avoid lying while giving an interview. And positive attitude. They certainly observe our attitude. How do we work, about the timings, about the salary, about the work atmosphere. So each and every point they have to judge with our conversation. So you should be very conscious and you should be very positive attitude while giving our interview. Yes, this is the pre-stage interview, and at the stage of interview what we have to follow. In our next video we discuss some more points about interview skills. Thank you, students.